I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
Hi everyone, this is 228 Hannah Street, a commercial space for rent on the main floor as well as in the basement unit, 1,750 square feet. Come, I'll show you inside.
Broken when I met you that night.
228 Hannah, basement unit. Here's the main entrance from this side. Very wide, 5 feet wide staircase. We're yet to add the railings. And here we have 1,750 square feet of open space. Ground concrete, exposed aggregate, and industrial strength epoxy applied. Looks pretty cool. Almost look like granite. Floor all open. Basement unit has 2 washrooms on diagonal corners. We also have a shower in the basement, when on the main floor we do not. Laundry tub, sink, toilet, and a shower in each washroom. We have 2 windows, but they are not really, maybe for ventilation. I use them in the summer. And here's the egress route for the basement unit to escape upstairs. There's a second exit. Again, 1,750 square feet of commercial space, all open. The second washroom, again, shower, toilet, laundry tub. Again, in the basement, as we said, the basement has radiant heat floor system built in, but not finished or connected. So right now, basement and the main floor are heated with a forced air gas furnace. But the radiant heat flooring system is connected. It's under the concrete, and it is possible to just have warm concrete floors in the basement. I'm going to take a few drone videos as well. And we're going back. And so here we are showing the main unit. This is the main entrance for the main floor unit. Again, it's 1,750 around, 1,750 square feet. Beautiful, rectangular, all open, beautiful, bright, new floors, new drywall, freshly painted. Updated unit, again, 1,750 approximately square feet of commercial space on the main floor at 228 Hannah. Intersection of Hannah and Deschamps, so it's a nice busy intersection, good for business. featuring 2 washrooms. So it's a 2-piece washroom, sink and toilet. 2 such, and the rest it's all wide open on the main floor. These 2 units, because this is the egress route for the basement unit, so if rented together, here's the access to the basement unit. Voila, they are connected. So if you can go to the basement unit either from this side or the other side. And here again, absolutely similar layout. So all open, 1,750 square feet approximately of a commercial space, all open. So basement unit and the main floor, they can be rented together separately. Here you have exposed aggregate, ground concrete, and industrial strength epoxy, clear epoxy applied to the floor. So it's a very durable, amazing floor. Also, what we have here is radiant heat system that was built in. It's not connected to the heater, but it's buried underneath. So while there is now forced air conventional gas furnace heat, the radiant heat flooring can be applied for this basement unit. Again, so basement unit has 2 washrooms, but in the basement, the washrooms contain as well full shower. Again, all open, new lights, new drywall, very clean, bright unit, lots of lighting. Another washroom, same thing, toilet, sink, laundry tab, as well as a beautiful shower with Calcutta marble tiles. Beautiful, all open. Again, 1,750, so together this is about 3,500 square feet of space on the main floor and basement if tenant was to rent both together. I'll show a separate video for the basement as well, but this one will include both. That's another entrance, or the main entrance to the basement unit. We're coming out straight to the parking. Voila. Plenty of parking, as I said, for the basement we can dedicate 2 reserved parking spots. As well for the main floor we can reserve 3, and therefore if the tenant rents both, we can have 5 dedicated parking spaces for main floor and the basement together.
Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honest, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions. So you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No, no. You didn't even hug it out. No, no. I don't like nothing. Don't. 'Cause it wasn't love. Now I know that you don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one